In this video, we will show you, step by step, the correct way to clean a filter holder machine, as this will ensure you get greater longevity from your appliance. You need the following items and ancillary products. First of all, switch on the machine to put it into operation. Then turn on the steam wand to check if a vacuum is present. A hissing sound indicates a defective aerator. Next, fill the filter holder with ground coffee. Make sure that you distribute the coffee powder evenly in the filter holder, pressing it down with a tamper and remove any residues from the edge. This ensures a tight seal on the filter holder and will protect the gasket. Then insert the filter holder and dispense the coffee. After dispensing the coffee, loosen the filter holder and empty it into a knockbox by tapping it. With the help of the water from the machine, rinse the holder briefly and then insert it loosely again. Clean the coffee beans container with a degreasing cleaning agent of your choice. Also, check the outlet from time to time, as it could be clogged. To do this, dispense some water from the machine. Pour it into the outlet, having removed the filter, and observe how the water runs out. In order to guarantee that your coffee is of the highest quality, it is recommended to clean the filter holder weekly. To clean the filter holder, draw water from the machine and pour it, together with the cleaning powder, into a container. Now, place the filter holder into the container and leave it to work for 10 minutes. In the meantime, clean the attachment by inserting a blind filter into another filter holder and add a teaspoon of cleaning powder. Then, start the coffee dispensing process. Let it run for 5 seconds, then stop. Repeat this process approximately 7 times. Then, check whether the powder has completely disappeared and rinse out the filter holder together with the blind filter. In the meantime, the detergent will have worked in the water bath and the coarsest soiling will have been removed. Nevertheless, you should go over the filter holder with wire wool in order to achieve an optimal result. Please use a brush to clean the gasket in the holder. You can carry out the visual inspection with a mirror torch or your mobile phone. If the gasket is defective, it should be replaced. We will show you how this works in a moment. However, To finish, you should first dispense of the coffee to remove soap residues and pour it away. Use a screwdriver to carefully lever the gasket out of the group. If the gasket is no longer serviceable, replace it with a new gasket. We recommend a silicone gasket as it is more heat resistant and has a longer life cycle. Bright colors make it easier to see the condition of the gasket. If the gasket is thinner, you can compensate for the difference with the paper ring supplied. Now, reassemble the gasket into the group and check it is fitted correctly. Now, remove milk residues from the steam wand using a heat-resistant cloth. Then, unscrew the steam wand. With the help of reamers, you can remove further residues that are stuck in the individual nozzles. The dissolved deposits can be removed by tapping the steam wand. Screw the steam wand tightly again and turn the steam on to test if it functions correctly. All items can be found at horecatiger.eu/en-EU. To receive further service tips and offers, subscribe to our newsletter. In the comments column below this video, you are welcome to leave us your feedback and tell us which topics you are interested in.